The monster you're afraid to become. Stop lying to yourself. You feel it, don't you? The darkness coiled deep inside. The one you keep trying to suppress with fake smiles and forced positivity. The one that claws at the walls of your chest every time you settle for less than what you want. You've been told to tame it, to calm down, to be grateful for what you have. But tell me, has it ever made you feel alive? No, because you were never meant to be tame. So let's drop the act. Let's talk about the monster you're afraid to become. The one who doesn't apologize for wanting more, who doesn't wait for permission to take it. The version of you that grits its teeth every time you hit snooze, every time you waste another hour, another day, another year, waiting for perfect moment to chase what you want. Why are you so scared to let it out? Is it because you don't want to be seen as obsessed, as selfish, as too much for the people around you to handle? Or is it because you know that once you unleash it, there's no turning back? That you'll have to face the fact that every excuse you've made was just that, an excuse. Good, be scared. Because that monster is your only way out. Do you really think the people you admire got there by playing nice, by keeping their heads down and hoping for the best? No, they let their darkness guide them. They let the hunger and the rage fuel every late night, every early morning, every sacrifice that no one else was willing to make. So here's the truth. You don't need balance. You don't need more time. You need to stop being afraid of what you're capable of. You need to tear off the mask you wear for the world and embrace the part of you that doesn't care who it offends. The part that doesn't flinch at the grind, that thrives in chaos and doesn't know how to quit. The part that refuses to accept anything less than what you were born to do. Can you feel it? That fire in your veins? That unshakable certainty that you were meant for more than this ordinary, numb existence? Don't let it die. Don't you dare smother it with doubts and fears and what if. Let it consume you. Be the monster who wakes up hungry, who doesn't wait for the stars to align, who builds a life from the bones of every excuse you ever made. Be relentless, be ruthless with your time, be unapologetically obsessed with becoming everything they said you couldn't be. Because the truth is, you can either be devoured by your dreams or become the monster who devours them. So, what's it going to be?